Welcome to my channel guys. So in this video we will be learning about aggregation pipeline stages and how to display the documents in different manners by using this aggregation. In the last video we had discussed about embedded documents, and in this video we will be discussing about aggregation pipeline stages. So here I will be creating this database, right? After that I will be creating a collection. Let it be the product collection. Now I will be inserting data into this collection. So db dot product dot insert. So I have a set of documents in Notepad. Let us copy it from here. Now I will be pasting it. Now selecting this and executing the insertion. So see, it is showing n inserted 4. It means 4 documents has been inserted successfully. Now let us check out db dot product dot find. Execute this. So you can see 4 documents inside this. So in each and every document you can find a customer name. You can find a field called products where the products that is being purchased by the customer is inside the products field array, and you can find the cost of those products in the cost field in the form of array, and the tax that has been charged to those products is also in the form of array in the tax field. For each and every document it is in the same manner. Now the first task that I will be doing is I will be bringing some new fields which will be only displayed. There will be no permanent changes in the documents. Suppose I want to bring the total cost and total tax and the total bill. So I will be adding all these costs and bringing it to a field called cost, total cost. I will be adding all these taxes and I will be bringing it to a total tax field, and then adding both this total cost and total tax will be formulated to total bill. So how that can be done? So I will be adding new fields. So the add fields aggregation will be used. So how that is being used? db dot product dot aggregate. Inside that formulate a square brace, then a curly brace, then dollar add fields colon, again generate a curly brace, then total cost, as I will be generating a new field named as total cost, then again generate a pair of curly braces. So I will be adding all the cost and bringing it to the total cost field. So that will be a sum operation over the cost field. So it is done. Now I will be bringing one more field, that is a total tax. Now again I will be adding, so the sum operator, then the tax field, here it will be uppercase C as because the cost is in this format. Now I will be ending up the curly braces. One more curly braces is to be ended. Now give a comma. Again from this total cost and total tax I will be adding these two fields and bringing the new field, that is total bill. So how that can be done? Generate a pair of curly braces, then dollar add fields. So this is the aggregation that we are using, that is the add fields. Now the new field name will be total bill colon. So here I will be adding total cost and total tax. So the add operator, Now again generate a pair of square braces. Inside that, mention the name of fields which is to be added. So that is total cost, then total tax. Now after this pair of square braces, end up the curly braces that we have generated. One more. Now again the last square braces, then ending the parenthesis. So here we have generated total cost field. Here all the cost will be added up, and here we have generated total tax field where the taxes will be added up, and then further we will be adding this total cost and total tax to bring out a new field which will be total bill. So one thing to be mentioned over here, that is all these fields will not be added for permanent use in the documents. It is just for displaying the data in this manner. If you want to update this for in a permanent manner, then you can use the update command. I will be showing you. Now select this and execute this. So here you can see the three new fields in each and every document, which is not permanent. It is just for displaying the total cost, the total tax, the total bill. Suppose now I want to change the name of the first customer from Derek to John. So it is just for displaying only, okay? It won't get modified to the original document. So how that can be done? If I am having a field and I am modifying the value for that field, then it is getting overwrite only. So how that can be done? db.product.aggregate, then generate a pair of parentheses, generate a pair of curly braces. After that, write the name of the field by giving the add aggregation. So I want to change the name of this document, the customer of this document. So Derek. So how that can be done? First mention the ID, copy it from here, paste it over here, comma. Now the name of the customer, that is the customer field, is to be modified. Let it be John. Now again close the curly braces, select it, execute it. So now you can see John over here. But let us check out the original document, db.product.find. So here you can see still it is Derek. It is not modified for permanent use. Now I will be showing you some more operators, that is the limit operator. This is also aggregation. Suppose I want to limit the documents, like I want to display the name of the first three customers only. So how that can be done? db.product.find, then give a pair of curly braces, that should be empty, then pair of again a curly braces. Inside that, the field that I want to display, that is the customer name. So it is the customer field. So here I will be writing 1 as I want to display it. If I don't want to display it, then it should be 0. And I don't want to display the ID field. So underscore ID, here I will be giving the value 0. Now let us execute this much only without the limit aggregation. So here you can see the name of all the customers. Suppose I want to see the name of the first two customers only. So how that can be done? Dot limit. Inside that, specify the number of documents that you want to display. Suppose I want to display 3 documents. So specify 3 over here. Now execute it. So now you can see 3 documents only. Suppose now I will be showing you the skip operator. So copy this. Suppose now I want to see the last 2 documents only. So skipping the first 2 documents. So how to skip? Using the skip operator only. So skip 2. So here the first 2 documents will be skipped and later on all the documents name will be shown. So as we are having 4 documents, we are skipping the first 2 and the next 2 is shown over here. So now I will be showing you sorting. So before going for sorting, first update this field. Suppose I want to bring this total cost and total tax and total bill permanently in the documents. So instead of aggregate, write update, generate a pair of empty curly braces, then give a comma, and here give a comma and write multi colon true, as I want to bring the changes in multiple documents. So execute it. So you can see n modified 4. It means it has been modified in a permanent manner. So let us check out now. So after cost and tax, you can find total cost, total tax, total bill. Now suppose I want to see the name of the customers and the total cost field, which is to be sorted in increasing manner. So how that can be done? db dot product dot find, then generate a pair of empty curly braces, then generate a pair of curly braces. Inside that, write the name of the fields that you want to display. That is customer, so it should be 1. Then the total cost, total cost. So it is to be shown also. And I don't want to show the ID field, so it is to be 0. After that, here write dot sort. Inside that, specify the field with regarding to which you want to sort the documents. So I want to sort the documents in increasing order by the total cost. So total cost colon 1, as it is to be sorted in increasing order. Now execute this one. So yes, you can see now it is in increasing order where all the customers name and the total cost is being displayed over here. So for this video, this is all about aggregation pipeline stages. In the next video, we will be learning something more about MongoDB. Thank you.